Hey guys, it's Remedy and welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be trying out a hairstyle that I saw on Pinterest. It is basically like a French braid and bun, but using a hair scarf. So I don't really use these that much, but they're so adorable. So I'm going to be trying to use it today. So first off, and I just kind of like fold it up or roll it up like so. See? So you just kind of go like that and it kind of rolls up. And then what I'm going to be doing is I already have my hair at a pretty deep side part. So I'm going to keep it that way, and I'm going to take a hairband and we're going to take a little section from the top and we are going to wrap that hairband around. I would rather use like one of those little elastic hairbands because my hair is so thin, but I don't have one right now, so I'm just using a regular rubber band. But you can use whatever works best for you. Okay, so now that we have this little strand of hair, we're going to take our hair scarf, wrap it underneath, and tie a knot right there to anchor the hair scarf. You could leave this, but I think I'm going to kind of braid it in. Okay, so now we're just going to have this strand kind of hang down, and we're going to take hair on either side and begin French braiding. So this is just going to act as like a third strand of hair. So to French braid, you take outer section over the middle, then you take this outer section over the new middle, and then you add hair to the outer strands of each piece of hair, to each outer. I don't know, I hope that helps. So I'm just kind of gonna French braid down, so it's not that big a deal if you're not getting hair from the other side of your head like over here, because it's just kind of like a French braid down the side. Okay, so we're gonna stop right around here, like so. And we're going to take another hairband and section off that little braid that you made. Then we're going to take a scrunchie, gather up all that hair, including the braids, like so. Then wrap that scrunchie over, take this remaining hair and loop, and then pull the scrunchie over that. And then we're going to kind of get this a little messier, pull out the pieces a little bit. And there you go. That is how you do this French braid using a hair scarf. French braid and low bun using a hair scarf. Hopefully this tutorial helped you guys. Let me know if you want me to clarify on any parts or kind of slow them down or zoom in. And yeah, hope you all have an amazing day. And if you like this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up and leave a comment telling me what I should do next. Bye, thanks for watching.